Have you ever wondered why some people seem to make money effortlessly while other people struggle paycheck to paycheck? Today, I'm going to share the millionaire money secret with you. The strategies that the wealthy use to grow their money that most people never learn in school. Stick with me because this could completely change your financial future. Before we talk about money strategies, let's talk about the mindset. The first secret that millionaires think differently about money. Millionaires, they focus on wealthy building, not just the income. Most people trade time for money, work 40 hours a week for a paycheck. Millionaires, they focus on creating systems that make money work for them, not the other way around. They see opportunity, not obstacles. Challenges are just lessons. Every financial setback is a chance to learn and to grow. They are disciplined and they are patient. Millionaires, they plan for long term, not instant gratification. They delay spending and invest constantly over time. The second secret is how millionaires use money. There's a huge difference between earning a lot and actually keeping it growing and continuing. They pay themselves first. Before paying bills or buying anything, they set aside a portion of their income to invest. For example, if you make $4,000 a month, save $400 to $1,000 for investments or business growth. They invest assets, not liability. Assets put money in your pockets, stocks, real estate, and businesses. Liability take money out of your pocket. For example, expensive cars, designer clothes, and debt. Millionaires, they buy assets first, then spend the money on wants they have with the money that's left over. They understand the powerful effect of compound interest. A dollar invested today grows exponentially over time. Even small, consistent investments can lead to millions in the long run. They avoid lifestyle inflation. Just because they earn more money doesn't mean that they spend more money. They maintain a simple lifestyle while their investments grows. Here's where most people miss the mark, relying on one income source. Millionaires, they rarely depend on just a salary. They have multiple streams of income. Example, a person might earn from their job, rent from property, stocks, dividend, and side business. Passive income ideas. Passive income is money earned without actively working for it. For example, rental properties, online businesses, dividend stocks, and royalty. Investing in yourself. Millionaires, they spend money to learn skills, grow business, or to start side hustles. Every new skill can become a new stream of income. So, what is the millionaire money secret? After decades of studying wealthy people, here is it in one sentence. Millionaires, they make money work for them, not the other way around. Let me break that down. Money is a tool. Every dollar we earn can be used to generate more money, not just spent. Time and leverage is everything. Millionaires leverage other people's time, money, and skill. They invest, hire, or create systems that multiply their effects. Consistency beat luck. It's not about one big win, it's about one smart, small decision repeated constantly over time. Now that you know millionaire money secret, the question is, will you take action? Here are 3 steps to start today. Pay yourself first. Save or invest portion of every paycheck. Learn and invest in assets, stocks, real estate, or even your own business. Build multiple streams of income. Even small side hustles can grow over time. If you want more strategies like this, hit the subscribe button, give this video a like, and comment below. I'm ready to grow my wealth. Remember, wealth isn't just about how much you earn, it's about how smartly you use your money. So hit that subscribe button and follow me for weekly tips.